Hello children, welcome back to your science online class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is water as a resource. You all know that water plays a very important role in the life of all living things, right? Yes, one cannot live without water for long. Water is used for many things in our daily life like drinking, cooking, cleaning ourselves as well as our surroundings. Even plants and animals, they need water to survive. We have already learned that there are three states of matter. Do you still remember what they are? Yes, they are solids, liquids, and gases. These states of matters can change from one form to another. A good example is water. Water is a liquid, right? But it can change to solid as well as gas. Let's take a look at how water changes its form. Water, which is a liquid, can change into solid ice if you put them in the freezer. This process is called solidification. Yes, ice is a solid because it has a definite shape and size. But if you take it out from the freezer and leave it there, what will happen? It will change into water again by melting. Water, when you boil them or when it gets heated, it can change into water vapor, that is gas, by evaporation. And if you put a lid on a pot and let it cool down, you will notice droplets of water on the lid. Yes, this is the water vapor, that is gas, changing back into water on cooling. This is called condensation, as you can see here on the lid of the pot. Now let's take a closer look at this change of state. First we have evaporation. So, what is evaporation? Evaporation is when a liquid changes into gas on heating. For example, a puddle of water on the road. Yes, after a few days out in the hot sun, you will notice that all the water has dried up. Do you know why? This is because the water has evaporated due to the heat of the sun. Evaporation is even faster when we boil the liquid or water. Like I've said before, when you boil water, you will notice steam rising up from the pot, right? Yes, that is water changing into water vapor on heating. Alright, the liquid has evaporated and changes into water vapor, that is gas. Next we have condensation. Condensation is when the gas changes back into a liquid on cooling. For example, when you take out a cold bottle of water from the fridge, after some time, you will notice that there are tiny droplets of water on the bottle, right? Why is this? This is because when the warm air, that is gas, comes in contact with the cold bottle, the gas condenses and changes into liquid, that is droplets of water. Another example is the one I've mentioned earlier. After you boil water or cook any other food for that matter, you put a lid on it, right? You will notice droplets of water forming on the lid. The water vapor, that is the gas, changes back into liquid, that is water, as it comes in contact with the cold lid of the pot. Okay, one last example on condensation, alright? When it is cold, what do? We often take a bath using warm water, right? After some time, you may notice that the mirrors in your bathroom or the windows in your bathroom, they become foggy and there will be droplets of water on them, right? Why is that? That is because the water vapor, the gas rising from your warm water, comes in contact with the cold surface of the glasses. Alright? Once again, evaporation is when a liquid changes into gas on heating. Condensation, on the other hand, is when the gas changes back into a liquid on cooling. That will be all for today. We shall continue in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe.